How to remove gamma watermark. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove gamma's watermark. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, you will need to download Gamma, the presentation that you made in Gamma. To do that, you can tap on the three dots right beside your profile icon, tap on Export. Then from here, you will need to download it as a PDF, not PowerPoint, but PDF. Tap on Export, and it should start exporting. Now, depending on your internet speed and your file, it should not take much time, but you can just wait. Then on the other side, what you'll need to do is search for PDF to PPTX, that is PowerPoint presentation. Open that up. Since my file is not downloading, I'll just click on here to download and let it do its thing. So after the download is complete, you will then need to head over to our website that converts PDF to PowerPoint. So let's open this I Love PDF. From here, you will need to download the presentation that you just downloaded. There we go, it's just downloaded. Now let me drag it and drop it here. This is a PDF. Drag it and drop it. Let it do its thing. Then tap on Convert to PPTX. Then just let it do its thing. It can take some time depending on your internet speed to upload and then change it into a PowerPoint presentation. So just while it does that, you can check out the PowerPoint. Now sometimes the PowerPoint may not be fit to size here because it was created in Gamma and there can be some ratios issue. So let it convert to the PowerPoint, which you can change later on. So after it downloads, tap on Download PDF after it's done converting. Tap on Download PowerPoint, and it should start downloading the PowerPoint presentation. So here you can check how much time it's going to take to download. After the download's complete, open it up. It should open up in your PowerPoint presentation. Now you can enable editing. Now, as I said before, there might be some issue with the size here. So you can change it by heading over to Design, going to Slide Size, and just using the standard one. You can just use either one of those. And you can always resize this like this. And just, drag it everything here, including this. The main thing here is that when you select Made with Gamma, you can then simply delete it. You can do that on every slide here. So let me just select that and backspace, and there we go. And that's how you do it, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.